Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Excel 2019 and creating a new workbook. This puts you in control right away. Once done, save as XLSX and enable auto-save or set a clear file path so you don't lose changes. Next, check the Formulas tab and make sure calculation is set to automatic so formulas update live. Enable iterative calculation only if you need goal-seek style loops. Also confirm the view and ribbon layout so your frequently used tools are visible. Then move to entering data. You now enter and structure your data. Add clear headers and convert ranges to tables with Control+T to gain filtering and dynamic references. Then write formulas using relative references for COPPA-friendly cells and absolute references when locking inputs. Test on a few rows to validate behavior. Use built-in functions like SUM, average, IF, and modern lookups, XLOOKUP where available, and give important ranges names for readability. Make sure to use data validation on inputs so downstream formulas remain stable as you expand the sheet. Finish by summarizing results with pivot tables or charts and add slicers for interactive filtering. Format axes and labels so meaning is clear. Once done, use formula auditing and evaluate formula to trace errors, and error checking to fix common issues like #n/, or #ref. Protect sheets or specific ranges where users shouldn't change formulas, and save a backup copy or export to PDF for sharing. If you hit a persistent error, recheck named ranges and calculation mode. Most problems come from wrong refs or manual calc.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.